Everyone around has been talking about women empowerment, feminism, and gender equality. So much so that it has lost its essence and true meaning. Women's coach in Metro. What an amazing step towards women empowerment. Bullshit. It's a step towards gender inequality. Let's dig deeper. Take a situation. If a girl comes to you and takes your metro seat just because she is a girl, or you stand up yourself to give a seat to a girl in metro just because she is a girl, the people around say, "What an amazing guy! He respects women." Okay, bullshit again. That's gender inequality. We have been brought up and surrounded by such an environment that gender inequality is so deeply embedded in each one of us. A lot of people ask, what's the solution to gender inequality? A lot of surveys state that gender equality is nowhere close to us. It might just take 90 odd years for us to achieve it. So, what is it that we do on our end to ensure gender equality? I say every gesture that tends to discriminate women should be stood up against for, no matter whom you're standing against. If your boyfriend does not let you pay the bills just because he thinks it's his responsibility, stand up for yourself because it's your responsibility too. If your family asks you to give up on your education, get married, and have kids, stand up for your own financial independent self. If they say you cannot do something just because you are a girl, give them your example in their face. If only we stop behaving like the weaker gender, that we'll move a step towards gender equality. Hello everyone, I am Rashneet Kaur and I believe in leading by example. So basically here we'll be talking about all such situations in which we face gender inequality and what men and women should do in those situations so as we move towards a more gender equal world. Awareness followed by growth opportunities is the objective of Lean in India, and me and Sania Khurana will be focusing on the same in this video series. So guys, if you believe in our ideology, if you believe in gender equal world, then the first step towards it would be speaking about it. Let it not just be a feminist issue. Let it just be what everyone talks about. So share this video with your friends, your peers, and make this a normal situation and not just a feminist issue. Thank you so much for watching us. Keep following and sharing our videos.